Hello guys, welcome back to Manchu Adverse. Guys, today I'll be telling you about a very important topic. Basically, it is a phrase which says as knock on wood, right? For example, you can say, I have never lost my phone, knock on wood. Then you tap on the table, right? But the question arises, why do we say knock on wood only? Why don't we say knock on any metal like iron, steel, or glass, right? So you can also say like, I have been healthy all year. I didn't fall sick even once. Knock on wood. So the story goes back to very old times when people used to believe that there inside the trees there lived ghosts and spirits, right? So if good fortune was going on, they would ask these spirits and ghosts by touching the trees for protection, right? In case misfortune was there they would ask for protection, and if good time go used to go, then they would thank these trees, ghosts and spirits for their blessings, right? The second story goes back to very early times when early Christians used to associate the wooden objects with the cross of Jesus Christ, right? So they believed touching the wooden things and wooden objects would bring them good fortune, right? So the second story is like this. So basically, knock on wood is said uh, when good time is going on and people hope that their good time will continue and they don't want to jinx their good fortune, right? So that is how this particular phrase survived, centuries. Like people started speaking it without knowing its origin, right? And it still exists, right, in English textbooks and dictionaries, right? So this was the phrase that I wanted to share with you all. I'll bring many other topics which are interesting in the future. So thank you for watching me. Thank you for watching my videos and stay blessed. Thank you.